Hi there, welcome back to Geeky Consumer, and in this video we are going to unbox HP X3000 wireless mouse. So let's take a look on the box itself. As you guys can see, it's mentioned here that it works on 2.4 GHz wireless frequency, comes with 3 buttons. So it's not a fancy gaming mouse, it's just a basic one with roller left and right buttons. Over here it mentioned inside the box will found mouse, receiver, battery, manual and warranty card. In system requirements, you just have to have a USB port, and it supports on Microsoft Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8 and Windows 10. And I also believe it supports on Macintosh systems, and it comes with 1 year limited warranty. Over here the retail price, as you can see, it's 750 rupees. However, I have bought it for rupees 699, and if you are interested to buy, the best buy link is given into the description. Now without further ado, let's open this box and see what stuff we get inside. As you can see, the first thing we got is the battery, and this is the mouse. I'll keep it aside for a moment and see what other stuff we get in here. I see there are a few paperwork, and here is the receiver. So in paperwork we get manual, a quick start guide and a warranty card. Now let's take a look at the mouse. Wow, this is really satisfying, and this closely look is really awesome. At the back we get this connect button, on off switch, and in here we can put the battery. Let's put the battery in, and there's a blank space at the corner to keep receiver when not in use. And this is the receiver we get with this mouse. So let's connect the receiver to the system, and once it's connected, this is how you will get a pop-up saying installing device driver software. And after installation completed, you will see a device driver installed successfully and it is ready to use. So that's about it for this video. Hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you in my next video.